Railway stations are more than just places to catch trains. They are bustling hubs of activity, connecting people and places. In the tapestry of modern transportation, railway stations are vibrant threads vital to urban and suburban life. They serve as gateways to cities and towns, welcoming travelers and commuters alike. Imagine a world without these transportation hubs. Traveling long distances would be difficult. Commuting to work would be a challenge. The movement of goods and services would slow to a crawl. Railway stations are essential for economic growth, social connectivity, and personal mobility. Modern railway stations are designed to be more than just functional spaces. They are becoming increasingly passenger-centric. Architects and urban planners now focus on creating welcoming, comfortable, and efficient environments. This includes everything from spacious waiting areas to convenient amenities and clear signage. In the following sections, we will embark on a journey to uncover the intricacies of building a modern railway station. We will delve into each stage of the process, from the initial planning phases to the final operational setup. Join us as we explore the complexities and considerations behind these essential transportation hubs. Building a modern railway station is a complex undertaking. It requires meticulous planning and coordination. The first step is to identify the needs of the community. What type of railway station is required? What capacity is needed to handle passenger flow? Once the needs are established, engineers and architects work together. They design a station that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Factors such as location, accessibility, and integration with existing infrastructure are carefully considered. Environmental impact studies are also conducted. The planning phase also includes securing funding for the project. This often involves partnerships between government agencies, private companies, and investors. Thorough budgeting and cost analysis are crucial for the project's feasibility. The planning phase is like laying the foundation for a grand structure. It requires a clear vision, meticulous attention to detail, and a deep understanding of the needs of the community it will serve. Once the groundwork is complete, the construction phase can begin. Platforms are the heart of any railway station. They are the points of arrival and departure, where passengers embark on new adventures or return home from their travels. Modern platforms are designed for efficiency and passenger comfort. Construction begins with careful excavation and leveling of the ground. Durable materials like concrete and steel are used to create the platform structure. Platforms must be wide enough to accommodate passenger traffic and comply with accessibility standards. Safety is paramount in platform design. Tactile paving at the platform edge provides guidance for visually impaired passengers. Protective barriers and safety railings prevent accidents. Clearly marked boarding points ensure orderly passenger flow. Modern platforms often feature amenities to enhance the passenger experience. Comfortable seating, weather protection, and digital information displays are becoming increasingly common. Well-lit platforms contribute to a sense of safety and security during nighttime hours. Section 4. Creating welcoming waiting areas. Waiting areas are an essential part of the passenger experience. They provide a space for travelers to relax, recharge, and prepare for their journeys. Modern waiting areas are designed to be more than just functional spaces. They often reflect the local culture and create a welcoming ambience. Architects pay close attention to creating comfortable and inviting atmospheres. Natural light through large windows or skylights is often incorporated. Comfortable seating options, ranging from individual chairs to benches, cater to a variety of needs. Digital displays provide real-time information about train schedules, delays, and platform numbers. Free Wi-Fi access allows passengers to stay connected while they wait. Some stations even feature charging stations for electronic devices. Waiting areas can also incorporate elements of local art and culture. Murals, sculptures, and interactive displays add a touch of personality and create a sense of place. These thoughtful additions enhance the overall passenger experience and make waiting for a train more enjoyable. Section 5. Ticketing and booking, smooth sailing for passengers. The ticketing and booking area is often the first point of contact for passengers arriving at a station. A well-designed ticketing area should ensure smooth and efficient passenger flow. Modern stations often offer multiple ticketing options to cater to different preferences. Traditional ticket counters staffed by customer service agents are still common in many stations. These counters cater to passengers who prefer face-to-face interaction or require assistance with their bookings. Self-service ticket vending machines are becoming increasingly popular. These machines allow passengers to quickly and easily purchase tickets using credit cards or mobile payment systems. They reduce queues and save passengers valuable time. Online booking platforms and mobile applications have revolutionized the way people travel by train. Passengers can now book tickets from the comfort of their homes or while on the go. Digital tickets and e-ticketing systems eliminate the need for paper tickets, simplifying the travel experience. Section 6. Security, ensuring a safe and secure environment. Security is of paramount importance in any modern railway station. As transportation hubs with high volumes of foot traffic, stations require comprehensive security measures to ensure the safety and well-being of passengers and staff. A layered security approach is typically implemented, combining technology and human presence. Surveillance systems, including CCTV cameras and video analytics software, monitor the station premises round the clock. Security personnel patrol the station, providing a visible deterrent and responding to incidents. Baggage scanners and metal detectors are commonly used at station entrances and exits to screen for prohibited items. Trained security dogs and their handlers may also be deployed to detect explosives or other dangerous substances. Emergency response plans are developed in collaboration with local law enforcement and emergency services. Regular drills and exercises ensure that station staff are well prepared to handle a variety of security threats or emergency situations. Section 7. Behind-the-scenes storage and goods handling. While passengers primarily experience the front-of-house areas of a railway station, there is a whole world of activity happening behind the scenes. Storage areas and goods handling facilities are essential for the smooth operation of any busy station. Dedicated storage areas are allocated for various purposes. These include storing luggage and parcels, as well as housing equipment and materials needed for station maintenance. Climate-controlled storage may be required for perishable goods or sensitive equipment. Efficient goods handling is crucial for the timely transportation of cargo. Loading docks and platforms are designed to accommodate trucks and other vehicles delivering or collecting goods. Forklifts, conveyor belts, and other material handling equipment are used to move goods efficiently and safely. Proper inventory management systems are essential for tracking the movement of goods within the station. These systems help to prevent loss, damage, or delays in the transportation of goods. The behind-the-scenes operations play a vital role in ensuring the smooth functioning of the station as a whole.